Welcome to another day in Melbourne. Today is September 9. Meron na naman kaming Klook tour going to Great Ocean Road. I got the Great Ocean Road day tour, yung reverse route, para baligtad yung ruta namin from the other tours. It's 2,201 per person. First time namin lahat pupunta ng Great Ocean Road. Kahit sinabi, hindi pa siya nakakapunta doon. So let's see kung kamusta yung Klook tour namin for today. So again, 7:30 a.m. yung meeting time namin kay Great Southern Hotel. There are actually several options that you can choose when you book the tour. Mamimili kayo kung saan yung pick-up point na pinakamalapit dun sa area ninyo, just in case you're staying in the CBD area. So anyway, it's 6:30 a.m. We're getting ready already. Ayan na sila. We're getting ready and we will be leaving in a while and go to our meetup point. See ya! Good morning! Nandito na kami sa bus. We're in front of Great Southern Hotel. Sakto naman 7:30 din dumating yung bus namin. So ayan na sila ate.
Yeah, thank you everybody. Please,
Ito na. Paalis na kami.
It's around 560 kilometers, around 7.5 hour drive. So it's a long.
We're already here at M1 Highway. So sabi ni driver, this highway goes all the way to Sydney actually. So we'll have 50 minutes drive and then we'll have our first stop for coffee, sabi ni driver. So rest muna kami. Time check, it's 7:45. See ya! This is the first stop, gasoline station. May mga food areas sa loob. Yan. And we break. May Subway. Ito may McDonald's. May Red Rooster. Oo. Pero nagwi-break lang kami. And going back up the bus. At saka may convenience store dun sa loob. Pero hindi na kami bumili kasi nagkape naman na kami sa bahay. Okay, alis na ulit kami. Dito kami sa Colac. Actually, bathroom break lang for 10 minutes. Pero bumaba lang din kami just to walk around. We are here in Colac for a quick stop. Ang ganda nung town. Ito na, nandito na kami. 12 Apostles. So, dito sa tour namin, ito yung first stop. Yung ibang tour sa Klook, last stop naman nila tong si 12 Apostles. Here, 12 Apostles. Oh, ito siya. Those rock formations. Pero actually, ang sabi nga nila 7 na lang sila ngayon, 'di ba? Naanod na yung iba. Ayan. Nice view. We can go down here to get a better view. Let's go there. May viewpoint dun sa area na yon. Puntahan natin. Nandito kami sa may view deck. Mas maganda pala yung view dito kaysa dun sa area na binabaan namin. Meron pa nandito. There's a kangaroo. There. Nagtago na yung baby. May Joey siya kanina. Ayan yung 12 Apostles. Ayan yung kangaroo. It's 11:10 already. Yung meeting time namin ulit dun sa parking is 11:25. So we were given around 40 minutes to explore the area. So ngayon balik na kami dun sa parking area. Baka maiwan kami nung bus. Nandito kami ni Nabi sa parang gift shop. We're just getting coffee. I got flat white na hot for $7.50.
I got a caramel
Iced
iced latte.
caramel latte for $9 yun sa kanya. Yung payment nila dito, mode of payment nila dito is card payment only, no cash. So siya yung magbabayad. Nasa kanya yung card. Para local card. Alam niyo, ang lamig dito Ang hangin kasi. Ang sakit sa tenga ng ano. Ang sakit sa tenga ng lamig ng hangin. Pero kailangan naka-earmuffs. We have our coffee.
12.
By the way, grabe yung lamig. Kaya ng jacket ko yung lamig. Weather check, it's 12 degrees. Feels like 7 naman pala.
It's just good.
Naka-thermal ako and my fur jacket, my fleece jacket. Kaya naman yan. Naka-thermal pants din ako actually. Pero
Really?
yung hangin,
I have nothing.
sobrang sobrang lamig ng hangin. Ang sakit sa tenga actually.
I just have
Oo, naka-crop top pa nga siya. Hindi ko kakayanin. Okay naman. Masarap. We're here sa Lockhart Gorge naman. So sabi ni tour guide, meron daw ship na nag-sink dito, yung pangalan niya Lockhart, where 54 people died and there were only 2 survivors. So doon nila pinangalan yung place. Here. Still part of the 12 Apostles Marine National Park, but this is the Lockhart Gorge. So ito yung view dito sa side na to. Oo nga, ang ganda ng waves. Lipat naman kami sa ibang view deck. Shipwreck walk naman yung nakalagay dito. Ayan. Sorry, 52 people died pala, total of 54, and then there were only 2 survivors. Dito nila pinangalan yung place Lockhart Gorge because of the ship that sank in this area. This is the walkway. Tingnan natin kung ano naman yung makikita natin on this side. Nalayo ng lakad Wala pa kami doon sa dulo. Finally, umabot na tayo dito sa dulo. There's the view deck. Let's see what we can see here. There. Ito naman siya. So yan yung story nung ship na lumubog. There. Ganda. Nice view. Doon ata kami pupunta pa dun sa kabilang malayo na yun. Hindi namin alam kung aabot pa kami. Ang layo. Dito hindi masyadong malamig. Doon kanina sa 12 Apostles, ang sakit sa tenga ng hangin. Dito naman mainit na. Going to another view deck. Island archway naman here. Last one. Ang lalayo ng lakad. Ito naman yung sa pinakadulo. Ang ganda! Wow! Nice view. Kaso ang liit ko. There. Ang ganda ng mga formations. Para siyang Grand Canyon. Pabalik na kami ng bus. Actually, itong tour na to, sinabi pa ni George, parang wag na daw kunin kasi wala naman daw kaming makikita, puro mga rock formations lang.
the hell?
Pero actually, maganda siya. So the Great Ocean Road is really worth visiting when you're
It's
here
really
in
a great
Melbourne. Yeah. Ang ganda ng mga rock formations niya there. Very nice. It's different when you're here in person. When you see it, it's really very amazing.
It's a must go.
Yeah, it's a must-see attraction here in Melbourne. So make sure to visit the Great Ocean Road when you're here. Mura lang naman yung Klook tour namin eh. Parang 2,000 per person. So not bad na.
Oh, that was 8,000 like.
Yeah, for the four of us na. Yes. Diba? Not
day.
bad, yes. Ano, Daddy? Nagsisisi ka ba?
Oo, maganda siya.
Oh, hindi ako papayag na hindi tayo mag-Great Ocean Road.
Oh, it's nice. It's very nice.
Southernmost part pala ng Australia.
Yeah.
There, that's already
That's
South Pole.
South Pole. Ah, okay.
Antarctica, yeah.
That's going to the South Pole na. That ocean over there.
Alam mo yung may pagganon si Australia, di ba? Sa South. So ngayon, nandun tayo sa curve. Kaya tayo nasa pinakadulo.
Okay. And then Phillip
we're
Island
gonna
is
go
down
all
there.
the
on
way down to
That's where
Phillip
Phillip Island is. Okay. Our Phillip Island tour is on Friday.
Woo! Penguin!
Okay, going back to the bus. Stop kami dito in the middle of the highway. Bigla-bigla. Hindi ko alam kung nasan kami. Pero magkukuwala sighting kami. Ayun yung koala. Nakikita niyo ba? Ang liit niya. Nasa gitna lang kami ng highway. Bigla lang siyang tumigil. Meron din daw dun sa other side.
Pero mas singalay.
Super yan. That's the koala. So, ayun na yung koala sighting namin. Kuha ni Nabi. Ayan siya. So far lang, maliit. Nakuhaan namin yan. Yeah. So, ngayon naman pupunta naman kami for lunch. Yun naman yung next stop na namin. Time check, it's 1:30 p.m. already. Okay, we're now here at Apollo Bay. Ito yung lunch place. Dito daw kami pwedeng mag-lunch. We are here for an hour. So, yung suggestion ni tour guide, yung Chinese restaurant yung masarap. It's this one? So, this is the restaurant. Anong pangalan niya? It's Fusion Space. So, tingnan natin. Wow, ang lalaki ng lobster. Look at that. Wow. So, this place pala is parang food court. May Chinese, may American. So, iba-iba. So, here, we're checking the Chinese menu. Ginger onion kangaroo. Nasa menu. $40. Nandito na kami sa Fusion Space Cafe and Restaurant. Isang restaurant lang siya pero there's Chinese, there's American. So nag-order kami ng ginger onion kangaroo. It's $39.80 actually. Pero we've always wanted to try kangaroo meat. So yun yung in-order namin. And fish and chips. Okay, we'll have a quick lunch and then try to get the famous gelato later. May baon kami actually yung sandwich. Pero sila nakain na nila. Yung sa amin ni Daddy hindi pa namin nakain. So we have sandwich din naman later for snack. Ito na yung order ko. Fish and chips. This is for $16. Ito yung burger. Signature burger ni Daddy. For $18. No?
Mm-hmm.
This is our kangaroo meat.
Interesting.
Finally, makakatikim na kami ng kangaroo. Tikman natin. Let's try the kangaroo.
Lambot.
Malambot. Wala siyang difference sa baka. It just tastes like beef with broccoli. Masarap yung pagkaluto nila. Hindi siya malansa. It's normal beef for me.
Parang beef na pinaghalong chicken.
May ibang
Malambot eh.
Malambot. At least it's
like
tender.
weirdly soft.
Super tender naman
Kasi
for
hindi siya-
meat.
Kasi yung beef, parang may kagat pa usually kahit malambot. This one is like really soft.
Anyway, we'll enjoy our lunch first. Masarap naman pala si kangaroo meat. Kakain muna ako kasi inuubusan na nila ako ng pagkain. We'll try naman the ice cream. Yung pangalan niya talaga, Dooley's award-winning ice cream. So let's see. Ayan siya. Dooley's award-winning ice cream. It's here. Buti konti pa yung tao. Kasi normally ang haba daw ng pila dito. Ito na, nakabili na kami kay Dooley's ice cream. I got the caramel choco chip. Ito, two scoops yun sa kanya. This is 10.50. Parang 10.50 yun sa kanya, double scoop. One scoop is 6.90. Yung kay ate, interesting. Chili chocolate yun sa kanya. May anghang talaga siya na aftertaste.
I can still taste the chili.
Yeah, me too. Si daddy yung mint Oreo. It's good. Masarap nga siya. We're here at Apollo Bay. Ito yung itsura niya. Diyan kami kumain doon sa area na yon, and nandito si award-winning ice cream. So ganito yung itsura niya dito. Ang ganda ng lugar. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami. We have, what time is it? 2:35. We have 10 minutes na lang actually, and then we're going now. Wag ka na lumayo, daddy, kasi 10 minutes na lang. In fairness, now we get why this is award-winning. Ang sarap niya.
Would come back to Great Ocean for this.
Ang sarap nga ng ice cream. So, if you happen to get the tour here, yung Great Ocean Tour, and dadaan kayo dito sa Apollo Bay, make sure to try the Dooley's ice cream. It's really good. Tapos, i-recommend ko yung chocolate niya, yung chili chocolate niya, if you like spicy. Ang sarap. Ako hindi ako mahilig sa spicy, pero ang nakakaaliw yung kick, yung spicy kick niya. Ang cute. Ang cute niya.
Ang cute ng pitik niya.
Oo, ang cute ng pitik na. Very interesting. Quick stop lang. Ayan yung arc. Sa arc ng Great Ocean Road for picture taking. And then there's a beach there. Ayan, may beach doon. And then there's the arc. We're already at our last stop. This is the Split Point Lighthouse. So, bago ka makaabot dun sa lighthouse, nandun siya. Ayun. Hiking muna. Ayun na siya. The lighthouse. It's 4:10 p.m. So, he gave us mga 40 minutes to explore this place. It's here. Let's go! This is going to the South Pole already. Ang galing nito. Parang may canopy. Ayan! Ito na yung lighthouse. This is the lighthouse. Ang galing oh. There's a private residence beside it. It's really a house kasi may nakalagay private residence. Baba tayo dito sa may beach area. Ayan na sila. May viewpoint yata dun sa dulo. Ito. Mahirap bumaba. Yung tarik. Here. It's the beach. Oh, wow. And there's the lighthouse. Ang ganda pala dito. Ayan. Ganda pala dito yung view ni lighthouse. And the ocean. Ang ganda ng view dito, oh. Ganda ng ocean. Sila doon sa kabilang view deck. Meron pang isang view deck dito sa dulo. Ayan na sila. Ang sakit na naman sa tenga nung lamig. Mahangin yung hangin niya, ang sakit sa tenga. Time check, it's 4:30. Pabalik na kami dun sa parking kasi Mahaba-habang trek ito. Papagod. Meeting time namin is 4:50. So, balik na kami sa bus. Be ready lang for a lot of walking and hiking when you do the Great Ocean Road tour. And dun sa mga mahihiluhin, actually, winding yung road. So, medyo nakakahilo siya. So, just be prepared for that as well. But the tour is really nice. It's really worth doing when you're here in Melbourne. Tignan niyo yung lalakaran namin pabalik. Hihi! Grabe. We're already back in the bus. Time check, it's 4:50 p.m. So, pabalik na kami ng Melbourne. We're back in CBD. Time check, it's 6:30 p.m. Actually, maaga kami. Yung target time ng arrival namin is 7 p.m. dapat. But it's only 6:30 and we're back in CBD. So, pinasyal lang namin si ate dito sa Southern Cross. We're here at Southern Cross. Ayan. One of the biggest train stations dito sa Melbourne. Yung mga purple trains na yan.
Our regional trains, so they go to like Bendigo, where else? Deer Park, Geelong.
Yung mga ganyan. Yung malalayo. So, yan daw yon. And then, the blue trains are the local trains.
Yeah, the metropolitan
The
ones.
metro train.
Yeah.
So, yan yung papunta sa bahay ni Nabi sa Oakley. Again, this is Southern Cross Station. Para lang makita ni ate.
The next service departing from platform 9A is...
Ito din yung ibaba ng Southern Cross. And then if you want to go to the airport, nandito din yung Skybus sa ilalim. Going directly to the airport naman via bus. Wala silang train na directly going to the airport. So kailangan yung mag-bus. Dito yung station niya sa Southern Cross. Ngayon, magta-tram naman kami, yung free tram dito sa CBD. Kasi kakain kami malapit dun sa Melbourne Central. They want to eat at Serai. It's a Filipino fusion restaurant. Nandito na kami sa Serai. Actually, 2 years na tong gustong kainan ni Nabi. Pero never kaming nakapunta sa kanya.
There you are, okay.
Okay.
Sir, there you are, madam. And I do apologize in advance if my pronunciations are a little bit off.
Oh, it's good so far.
Filipino. You guys Filipino? I don't need to tell you what kare kare is, what sisig is. But I will recommend double check with me because everything's really different.
Okay. This is a Filipino-Australian fusion restaurant pala. According to Noah, our server. Here's our mocktail. This is the pineapple pop. Ito yung pandan something ko. Ito yung ube ni Daddy. And the calamansi fizz ni ate. Masarap. Hindi masarap.
It's not bad. I just prefer the calamansi.
Mas masarap daw yung calamansi. I'll try my pandan. Ah! Masarap? Yeah. I like the touch of the pandan.
I think the latte is strong.
Pang dessert. Yung ube ni Daddy masarap, pero pang dessert. Ito yung pineapple pop ni Daddy. Oo nga, lasang gamot. Ito yung calamansi fizz ni ate. Masarap sa calamansi. But I actually like my pandan more. So sa lahat ng drinks namin dun sa apat, ako ang pinakagusto ko, actually yung drink ko, si pandan. Masarap din yung kay ate, yung calamansi niya, pero kasi it's carbonated. I'm not a fan of carbonated drink. Yung kay Daddy masarap, pero parang dessert. Yung kay Nabi yung pinaka, hindi masarap. It's because of the latik. Parang medyo
Strong silatik.
Oo, strong silatik. Tapos medyo parang cough syrup yung lasa ng drink. But mine is good. Here's our lumpia. He suggested this one. And it has caviar. Ito yung special mention niya na pina-order niya sa amin. So, let's see. Look at that. O, sayang wala si Mateo. It has caviar. Better daw to eat it with your hands. So, it's like deconstructed lumpia.
Mahuhulog pa sigurado.
Cheers! Cheers!
Lumpia eh, kakaiba.
Masarap si lumpia. In fairness, sobrang kakaiba. Pero masarap naman siya. Maasim. And that is... Ooh, the kangaroo. This one here is the Kilawin kangaroo. May bone marrow pala siya sa ilalim. So, yung pagkain daw sa kanya with this bread, gagawin mo siyang parang spread. That's how you eat it. So, this is how you eat the Kilawin na kangaroo. Nagustuhan nila. Let's try.
Kakaiba yung lambot niya.
Kumain na kami ng kangaroo meat kanina, yung sa Apollo Bay. Chinese version naman yon. This one's different. Kilawin. Pero parang hindi siya kilawin.
May something.
Masarap. And now we have our sisig. So sabi ni Noah, ito daw din yung dish na nagustuhan ni Gordon Ramsay when he was here. Masarap na si sisig tacos. Ito naman yung lamb adobo. Ito naman yung tosilog clay pot rice with duck egg yolk. And this is the marble beef. Ang liit lang naman pala niya eh. Large plate na to ah. Parang hindi naman siya large.
Sa akin naman.
So, ito na lahat ng order namin. Let's try the adobo with the rice. Hindi namin kinakain yung adobo. Inaantay namin yung kanin. Hindi naman nila sinaserve yung rice. Kasi considered small plate nila si adobo. Lasa nga siyang lamb. Pero masarap.
It's really soft.
Let's try the tocino. Actually, yung tocino na clay pot rice, tosilog, pwede mo na siyang orderin as a rice topping. Kasi ang dami rin yung tocino na kasama. Tapos yung sweet ham, kung Pasko, na maalat, sweet and salty. Pero bagay siya sa rice. Let's try naman the beef.
Mushroom bro.
Typical roast beef. Masarap din yung beef. It's very tender. Sarap yung mushroom. We'll enjoy our dinner. And then we have the cassava cake with butter ice cream for dessert. Sabi niya they have the best cassava cake daw.
Yeah, I recognize the flavor. It's
Cassava
something
and
that I
ice
don't eat.
Interesting combination yung butter ice cream niya with the cassava. In fairness, masarap. Pero yung one order, malaki na din ha. So far, ang favorite namin si sisig. Masarap siya talaga. And yung kangaroo nila. Masarap. Yung nasa bone marrow. It's really good. Thank you, Noah! Okay, bill reveal. 346 Australian dollars. So in peso, it's 13,039 pesos. Yung dami naman ng kinain namin, yung quality ng food, and yung ambiance ng restaurant, and the service, okay naman. Yeah, sulit. Sulit naman for us. And shout out to Noah, our server. Ang galing niya mag-sales stock, pero in fairness, lahat ng sinuggest niyang pagkain sa amin were all good. So thank you, Noah. Andito nga pala si Siray sa alley na to. Ayan siya, sa Racing Club Lane. Malapit siya sa Hardware Lane. And ayun siya sa dulo. Dito sa Melbourne, ang hilig nila ng mga alley-alley. Tapos sa mga alley, doon ka makakakita ng mga masasarap na restaurants.
Social.
Yeah. So again, it was good. It's just a bit expensive than normal, but it's a fancy restaurant. And okay naman yung quality niya. So kahit na Filipino food siya, Okay lang din kahit nagaling kami ng Pilipinas kasi it's different. Ang galing nung twist niya sa Filipino cuisine. Okay, uwi na kami. We're just booking our Uber kasi wala na namang train from the city going to Nabi's place. So mag-Uber na lang kami. Hello! So nandito na kami sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami. For today, we did the Klook tour to Great Ocean Road. And again, yung kinuha kong tour, yung reverse tour para daw mas konti yung tao. Hindi ko rin alam kung nagkataon lang or konti lang talaga yung nagtutour today. Pero tama naman, konti nga yung tao na nakasama namin kanina, hindi masyadong crowded. And we are also lucky to be blessed with good weather the whole day. So, chinek din naman namin yung weather forecast this morning. And it said that there's 0 chance of rain. And tama naman. But anyway, we actually enjoyed the tour. I would say sulit siya. So if you happen to go to Melbourne, make sure to do the Great Ocean Road tour. Actually, it will be better if you can drive there so you have more control of your time. Kasi ang sarap mag-explore. Unfortunately, with Klook Tour, of course, since there's time limit, hindi namin siya masyadong na-explore. Parang picture-picture lang and then balik na kami kaagad sa bus. But it's really a wonderful place to visit. Yung tour nga pala sa Klook, it's only 2,100 pesos per person. And we passed by 4 major stops. Si 12 Apostles, si Lockhart Gorge, and then si Apollo Bay where we had lunch and it's our first time to be able to eat kangaroo meat and masarap pala siya. And then we had ice cream also at Dooley's, yung award-winning ice cream, and it is award-winning for a reason. So if you happen to pass by Apollo Bay, make sure also to try Dooley's ice cream. Masarap nga siya talaga. And then fourth stop is the lighthouse. And then merong 2 mini stops, si Colac for bathroom break and yung Great Ocean Road na arc. Yun daw yung nagsisignify ng start ng Great Ocean Road. So dinaan din kami dinaan din kami doon ni driver for photo op. And mabait yung driver namin, si driver Tony. Thank you very much. He was very kind and very helpful. So that's it. That's our day for today. Thank you, Klook, for our tour. We'll end our day here. It's actually 10 p.m. already. So that's it. Good night!